masquerade and culture. I'm surely not to come right for long, but here now, we are here. Happy New Year and Christmas. I know that is late, but I'm sorry for that. Once again, it's good to be hardworking. To do. I am still upcoming. I have no sponsor. I have no. I can never give up on myself. This is happy spiritual. We we entertain about masquerade culture, all sorts of things. But once again, anything that you are doing, you can see we are turning, doing such of things, doing such of things. See my cement, see the building I am in. I need very hard working. It's not easy for a man to do this kind of job. We have so many issues and so many faults. So many graduates with not having work to do. After graduating, you go back to streets, start fresh. Be the more you learn work, even on the people that will do the work, chef, some may not pay you. So you need to find a way of surviving. Another means of surviving, you get. So on that category, I'm still telling you, don't give up on yourself and don't be ashamed of what you do. You get. For you to be great, you need to pass through things. It's not easy. Being a great man is not a day job. You get. This is Africa speaking to you. Tradition is a good thing, but don't do too much. Don't use your own tradition to be killing people. It's not good. I'd not advise for evil. Evil is not good. You get. On this the same process, I'm still telling you, culture. If it's our people, they will tell you, Abulufi. There are many differences there. Omenana is what our forefather did. On that them time, if you can see what they do then, you will notice that this killing, not they exist like that then. Killing. Even blood sacrifice, all this, such and this one, blah blah blah. You know happen. And that is it for that. But now, you see person go just find one Iroko tree, tie clothes there, carry white powder pour there. Another thing, to if you come to ask something, he go tell you bring this 2 hairs, bring 4 hairs. That is not omenana. That one, that one is charm. You get? They are different of tradition and charm. You get? That is what I'm trying to tell you guys. Tradition is different from charm. Tradition is different from charm. When you are doing, know that it's evil that you are doing. But when you are doing tradition, know that all this about medicine, check it now. So many people have a part time 1990 them, they go treat you, they will tell you anything you have, just give for because to preach the gods. But now you'll be dying, you will come to somebody to help you. It will demand of drop 250,000, drop 1 million, drop this one, bring this one, bring this one. You will not even check whether that you will not even try to consider when will this person get that money. Things are happening. So be your brother's keeper and try to save life when you have the opportunity. It's not an easy thing to save person. Save life if you have the opportunity. So many are looking for the opportunity. They did not meet it. They are not in grave. But you that is alive, you see the opportunity, try to grab it. It will be 100% bonus for you to accept, for you. If you like, quote me anywhere. I'm telling you the facts. Saving of life is not an easy something. So when you have the opportunity, save life. If you have too much, give to your neighbor. So many are dying of hunger. You are there demanding of five, 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 five cow, two bags of three, three powders of this one, lamb, cow, cow. Check it now. Check it if it's you. What will you do? Even though you are a billionaire, you are now Dangote be your junior brother. Check him now. If you're on that woman's shoe, what will you do? It's not good. Let's try to be good. It's good to be good. I'm telling you the facts. This is me speaking. Africa tradition, masquerade and culture. That is that for it. Period. Like I said, period. Period. I have to appreciate you guys because it's not easy to make somebody to reach 1,000 something. It's not a day job. I thank you guys, and I know that you guys can make me go more than this. Million subscribers, 50 million watch hour, and 10 view. It's not a bad thing. But I'm promising I go well. I'll be doing giveaway here. Free. For you, it's not easy. And they do tradition. No be say I know they good tradition. No be say I know they go church. I they go church. Go church. I they go church. I be choir master. You get? I beg, if you watch this video, if you try and enter my YouTube channel, subscribe to my channel, show love to your bro. African tradition, masquerade and culture. We are not to any other person. You get? That is for that. Thank you, fans. Ibolira nyame, Ibolira nyame, Ejeni bebe nsumo, ebe ndabere mo, akwa gị bọnụ n'ekwuru mo, Chineke ka ngwa n'oge eziokwu.
Iburu m ihe niile o. God, I confess my problem for you. You are the all I know.
Igbo doctor me, my great physician. Igbo lawyer me, akwa gị bọnụ n'ekwuru mo.
God, I confess my problem for you.
Homo ọgọchi mo, egwu gị na-atụ mo. Chineke ka ngwa n'oge eziokwu. Iburu m ihe niile. I confess my love for you. You are all that I have. Hibula nyambo.
Guys, this is a comedy. You have to know.